ASMR facts about ASMR. If you've been browsing YouTube at all over the past few years, you may have noticed the emerging craze for ASMR videos. ASMR is a growing movement where people record video and audio in order to elicit brain tingles and shivers. It's a completely innocent and seemingly harmless experience. Many people might find it a little odd. It's therefore worth reading up on some facts to help clue you into the phenomenon. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It is a fairly recent phenomenon, with data online referring to the trend. ASMR can be hard to describe, but it is ultimately a pleasant, tingling sensation that's triggered by sounds and images. It is a strange phenomenon which is still being analyzed and explored to this day. Triggers for ASMR will differ from person to person. Some will need to actively feel touch to be able to tingle. ASMR tingles will occur from the neck up, but people can feel them in other areas of the body, too. Everyone is different in this regard. Some people refer to ASMR as a brain massage. Some of the most popular sounds known to trigger ASMR in people can including whispering, crackling and even certain voices. Soothing, relaxing videos are also produce this effect, too. Around half of people who watch and benefit from ASMR video content are aged between 18 and 24, there is no specific correlation to gender. Various content creators go all out to make videos likely to cause a brain tingle. In fact, much of the content you'll find online serves a dual purpose. For example, you will find people who read stories in a softly spoken voice, or instructional videos. One of the most popular sources of ASMR for tingle hunters is The Joy of Painting, presented by the late Bob Ross. Bob Ross is hugely popular for his soft-spoken, gentle and unflappable manner, soothingly taking viewers through how to paint. There are over 30 seasons of material from the painter and presenter online. Some may believe that ASMR is linked to the tingles and chills you might feel when listening to your favorite music. However, it is a rather different phenomenon. This phenomenon is called frisson, and while it shares some characteristics and crossover, more and more filmmakers are building ASMR into their work. Do you know any fun facts about ASMR? Share them in the comments below.